All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate or use absolute cell reference, and also how to use the fill handle to copy the first formula that you typed to all the cells. So what I'm going to do, y'all see mine's already done. I'm going to delete all of this and I'm going to delete this. All right, so the last tape I had calculated the tax by multiplying the cost of the CD times the tax rate, which tells me how much tax I'm going to pay on this CD. Then I created a formula that added this plus this, which would tell me how much the CD will cost. So in order to calculate to create a formula using the absolute cell reference, this is what we do. So before I showed you to type the equal sign, and what I'm going to do is multiply. So I held down the shift key, or you can type it, but I'm going to click B3. To make this absolute, I have to press a $sign, and then I multiply that by the contents of C3. Don't forget your $sign. So I'm going to multiply the number in B3 times the number in C3, and that should give me my tax. Okay? And then, since I've already shown you, this is how you use the fill handle. I'll show you the fill handle for this rate. There is a square in the lower right-hand corner of your cell, of your cursor. The green line, green box is called a cursor in Excel. When I touch it, my mouse turns into a black plus sign. When I click the fill handle and drag down to the last CD cost, oh, I missed one more. It automatically copies the formula, not the number. The formula automatically changes. And then I will do the same thing for the total cost. So in actuality, all you have to do is type in your first set of information and then use the fill handle after you get all of your CD costs in. Now, the next one is the total. So total, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the auto sum. So I clicked sum, and I'm going to know how much all of these CDs cost. How much money did I spend? The only thing I'm forgetting is my $sign to make this an absolute cell reference. There we go. Spent $206.12. Now to calculate the highest cost, lowest cost, average cost. So I am going to use my auto sum again. And I want a word that means the same as highest, which is max. That's short for maximum. I don't want this last cell, so I am going to, I can grab it. It won't let me grab it. So I'll change it. So I want B2, and I don't want B12. I want to stop at B11. So don't forget your $sign, and I can change the 2 to 11. All right. And then for the lowest cost, I'm going to use my auto sum and lowest minimum, MIN. Actually, if I calculate these, oh, that's not what I want to do. So I messed up. Equal min, I can fix it up here. $sign B13 colon to B, oh, sorry, B2. Nope, yep, B2. I made a mistake. $sign to B11. So the least expensive CD is $150. And I guess you're saying, well, I could just type that in. Yes, you could, but the point and purpose of Excel is just like a calculator, to use formulas. When you get to formulas or you get to spreadsheets that have 50, 100 items in it, you don't want to take a calculator and add and subtract all of that. So that's the point of formulas. The last thing is average. So I'm going to auto sum average, but I want the average cost of these CDs. And then I have to remember to put my $sign in for absolute cell reference.